Hey there, I'm Andrew from Cable Bullet, and today I'm going to show you how to cut and crimp cables with our new cutter and crimper tools. These two tools together will replace our multi-tool. Together, they are a fraction of the price and easy to store and reuse again in the future. First, let's take a look at the cutter. Don't be fooled by the 6-inch design. These blades are rated for over 500 cuts without causing your cables to fray. It also has a 61 HRC hardness rating, so it can slice through pretty much any wire or cable you throw at it. The cherry on top is the ratcheting mechanism that lets you lock the jaws in place to hold your cable while you transition to make your cut. Cutting the cable with our new cutter is super easy. First, measure and mark the distance between the face of both tensioning posts, leaving a few inches of extra cable. Take the end of your cable and line it up between the jaws. I like to hold it with one hand or against my body for leverage to lock the ratchet in place. Then I put my other hand on and squeeze. Next, let's check out the crimper. For Cable Bullet installations, you want to set the die on the number 8 setting. The dies rotate with a simple press, so switching between sizes is super easy. Crimping requires a bit more force than cutting, but the 15-inch design helps you gain more leverage to fully crimp the sleeve on your cable. After the lobed washer, slide your crimp sleeve over the cable end. Line the sleeve up between the two number 8 die castings and give it a good squeeze. Adjust your cable to another position on the crimp sleeve and crimp it once more. After you've made your cut and crimp, you can advance this assembled cable end into a tensioner. Advance the set screw and you're ready to run your cable through all pass-through posts and spacer bars. Once your cable is run through the other components, pull it taut and measure 1 inch past the face of your tensioner or 3/4 of an inch past the face of your post. An easy way to measure is to use 3/4 inch painter's tape, or you can pull a crimp sleeve and lobed washer past the face of the post. Mark the cable and cut at that line. Repeat the steps for crimping and advancing your cable into the tensioner. That's all there is to it. With our new and improved tools, cutting, crimping, and installing cables is simple. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below, or give us a call. If you're ready to start your project, visit our website at cablebullet.com to begin your fast and free estimate.